Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to do blue comment on TikTok. So basically guys, the blue comment feature on TikTok allows you to highlight your comment by changing its background color to blue. So it is a very simple guide how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. After that, navigate to the video on which you want to leave a comment. You can do this by scrolling through your For You page or by searching for the user's profile and finding the video here. Now below the video you will see a speech bubble icon with the word comment next to it. Tap on the button to open the comment section and enter your comment in the text provided field. So basically guys, TikTok uses their algorithm to turn comments blue if the words are relevant to the video, are used a lot or are commonly searched. So in order to change your comment into blue, then you will have to comment such as something that is related to the video and are used a lot. Getting a blue comment on TikTok isn't guaranteed, but as it is chosen by algorithm, it looks at relevance, popularity and engagement. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.